Good morning, guys. Man, I can't let these things. It's just. I mean, these things are getting to me, man. Why did I sell Coda? I mean, I had 50,000 shares in the 1460s, 1470s of this Codex, and it's up like it was up like 16 bucks. I mean, this could have been a $500,000 trade. Why? Oh, why did I sell it at 1660? Why? Why? And VTIQ too. Why did I sell at 21? Why? Man, these things are getting. I mean, between those two, I probably left easily $500,000 on the table in 2 days. I could have made $500,000 by just sitting and doing nothing. I just. Oh man, sometimes the best trade is not selling something you own. That's the best trade. Alright, let's go through my portfolio real quick. Cheap ore, I think I'm gonna get stopped out. If it can't bounce off this rising 20-day in the first, say, hour or two of, after the open, I'm probably gonna sell it. FAS is gapping down. I'm probably gonna cover near the open. I'm gonna put some bids in. Like 22 bucks is a nice round number. And this mark, this is the one I'm patient with, okay? And this one keeps going lower. Oh man. Oh. Sometimes, I mean, trading can be so frustrating. I mean, oh man. Trading can be so frustrating at times. It's not for weak-hearted. Or weak-minded. Codex. I'm tempted to watch it on the short side. I just don't know how much downside it will have. It's not very liquid either. I'm gonna be careful with it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go crazy shorting it. Small size. IBIO. I don't see anything. If it can break this 120 area with volume, preferably on PR, yeah, absolutely, it could go. But right now, I just don't see anything here. But you know, if you want to buy it and hoping they're gonna PR, yeah, you could do it. This is the sector that works. VTIQ, I lost 115k shorting it yesterday. And yeah, I covered it into VWAP late day yesterday. Now it's gapping down, and yeah, I didn't trade it well. Not happy about it at all. mRNA, this one is setting up as a potential long over the 66 area, 67 area. If it can go sideways a bit more, could be interesting. And NVAX, I don't know what to do with this one yet. Could be a short, could be a long. It's probably a short. But it needs to break 3960 at least. Exactly, someone is moving the pieces against me. I know someone, who is the one has been writing to me on Twitter about Codex? What's your name? Let's see here. Tango and Cash. Which one of you is Tango and Cash on Twitter? I mean, you've been on it on this Codex. DraftKings, yeah. DraftKings looks nice. Yeah, it's you. Yeah, man. I hope you nail. Are you still in Codex? You've been nailing it, man. Oh man, congrats. You've been killing it on Codex. Yeah. My shorts from the other day are doing really. Wait, it's IZA. Oh. My shorts from the other day are doing really well. Airlines gapping lower, cruise lines gapping lower. This is a very good pullback. I just wish we got this pullback like a month ago. But it's okay. Man, this Macy's looks like it wants to go to $1 or something. Yeah. Oh, you sold at 17? No, why did you sell at 17? I sold it there too. Don't tell me you sold it because I sold it, please. Because that was one of my more moronic sells, like, in a while. No, NVAX is gapping lower. No, 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 no. Okay, NVAX, let's see, maybe opening range low, so short some. I just don't like the gap down. But it looks like it's about to take out some support area. Okay, NVAX is gapping below this 3950 support area. Okay, so far NVAX is holding support though. Oh, Mark is bouncing. Okay, I'm gonna use like 125 as my stop now on Mark. Short some NVAX. Yeah, NCLH, yeah, all these airlines and cruise lines looking like shite. I'm just covering small pieces of all of these, like AAL, BA, all of my shorts. Covering into weakness. Oh, VTIQ, big gap down, mother. NVAX, my stop is gonna be high for the day. Peloton is super strong. mRNA is holding up super well. Unless it can get below this 6340 area, I don't see a short there right now. I think NVAX is gonna stop me out. I mean, mRNA codecs are super strong. There's no reason for NVAX to go down right now. This Genius Brands is another pump going on. Totally missed that one. NVAX put in another higher low on the 60-minute and on the daily charts. That's bullish so far. The software names are just super strong. I love it. I really love it. Once this pullback is over, those things are gonna fly again. Netflix new all-time highs. Pretty amazing. I'm so unhappy I sold VTIQ and Codex 2-3 days too early, but I'm so happy I got short these airlines and cruise line related stocks, because those are the ones that are making money now. Very happy about that. Work broke range. Work, what range? It's just in the middle of a range right now. It's just in the middle of a pullback right now. Question is if mRNA wants to go up or down. I just bought 100,000 shares of this AYTU. It's a piece of shit, but I think it could go. It's just breaking a range, just like Codex was. Codex, unfortunately, I passed on it like at 11 bucks or 10.90s or whenever it was when it broke the opening range highs. And this AYTU, look, I don't know. I'm risking 10 cents to, if this thing really goes, why can't it go to like 4 or 5 bucks? New high on what, Skip City? What's new high? Gold related stuff is breaking out. GDX, like this NEM is breaking higher. VTIQ found support so far, the 60-minute chart. Okay, mRNA is weakening here. Oh, okay. It's okay. Should I get back on the gold train? Gold related things are getting stronger here. This nugget looks really good. You know what? If Mark, now I'm gonna wait on Mark. Not really sure what to do with it yet. Oh my god, NCLH is straight down. On Mark. Okay. Great job. Oh man. It's so funny. The one I stay patient on goes down. And the two ones I get impatient on, Codex and VTIQ, they go up 60, respectively 80% in a few days. I mean, you really need to be a special type of person to make it in trading. It's this constant mind fucks, they can really get to you. Constantly get fucked all over, like every day you get fucked on something. Variance? Okay. I call it getting fucked. Oh, so there is a word for it, variance? Okay. It sounds like your specialty, yeah. Yeah, exactly. It pisses you off, it frustrates you. I mean, yeah, you really need a special type of mentality for trading. Absolutely. You kinda need to have the personality that likes to get fucked every single day. Just saying. Just my personal observation. Exactly, 2% skill, 98% mental, yeah. Oh yeah, exactly. We come back every single day to get fucked again. And deep down we enjoy it. We will never admit it, but we all enjoy it deep down. Exactly. It's 2% skill, 98% make 98% lube. Exactly. Oh man, that's a good way to put it. But sometimes we fuck back. Sometimes you just nail something perfectly and you're like, fuck you, Mr. Market, I gotcha. But it doesn't happen too often, unfortunately. Wow, NVAX taking out lows of the day. I should add. Should I add? Should I add? Maybe if we get a little bit of a bounce. I should probably add mRNA or something. The money is starting to come out of these stocks. Codex maybe? No. Exactly. AYTU, look, in this market, $5-6, you can just pick a random number. You can even pick a double-digit number. That's what I'm targeting. I just don't know. Look, I don't know. It could be, you know, again, like I said before, either I lose 10 cents or I'll make, or it goes like $5-6. They have earnings tomorrow, even better. Which means they're probably gonna say something pumpish and the stock's gonna double. Oh! IBIO is going. Someone tweeted about this thing. It's breaking out here. I'm not gonna buy it, but you know, it's a good looking chart and you know, it could go. AYTU owns INO. Not a very big piece, I guess. I don't. Earnings don't matter on this thing. They don't make any money anyways, so there's no way they can report a bad report. They don't even. I don't think even they have any sales. Let's see. Okay, they have some small sales. Like, the report may actually be pretty decent since they've gotten some contracts, but it's not what matters. It's all about the hype on this thing, I think. So I'm not really worried about the earnings report. I'm not. But we'll see. It's not a big position. Like, even if it goes down 50% overnight, it's you know, I'm gonna lose like 90k, not a big deal. It's a small position for me. Like for my account, it's a very small position. Codex is weakening. Yeah, don't if you're gonna buy AYTU or any of these pump stocks, make sure it's not a big position, because you never know with those. It's gonna gap down 50%, and you know. Okay, fuel cell looks like it's but. Okay, I'm gonna use the lows of the day on fuel cell as my stop. It didn't really go up as much as I would have liked, but Whoa, T-Dog! No, I fucked up on this one. I missed my... I didn't have a stop set. Oh, come on. Okay. I'm gonna use this 173.50 as my stop. Oh, thank God I sold a half a few days ago. The AMD I sold out too, yeah. You gotta see these things coming, you know. You gotta look at the signs. You know, the signs were when I started seeing the bear flags about to break down 2 days ago, or was it 3 days ago? I just felt it in my bones. I sold down a bunch of stuff. Okay, NVAX is at yesterday's lows now, or it hit yesterday's lows. If it loses yesterday's lows later, I'm gonna double up on my short. But right now it found some pretty strong support, it looks like. VTIQ is weakening here. You know what? I'm gonna use the rising 10-day as my stop on Mark. That's it. Okay, fuel cell, I'm out. Sold it. I held it for a month. No, I didn't. 3 weeks I had it. But now I am out. I'm selling cheaper too. It's not able to bounce on the rising 20-day. Getting rid of my weakest positions. And then there's stuff like CHGG Barely red on the day. SC looks like it's bouncing off this rising 10-day. Mail is a bit weaker. You know, Fastly barely red on the day. PDD almost green on the day. Okta almost green on the day. And the Vonga almost green on the day. I mean, oh, you can hear me eating? I'm eating a bar. Oh damn, mRNA. I should probably short some mRNA here. Oh yeah, MPX is coming back. Start to repump this thing. I have like 50 alerts set for this thing. I don't know. mRNA looks like it's about to break down here off the 60 to 50 area with a series of lower highs, but you know, it could very easily reclaim and get back into this 63, 64 range. But I did short 15k shares. I'm gonna use a dollar stop on it, see if it can break down or if it's just teasing. Yeah, W. Ah, fuck, it's lower today. I covered it yesterday late day because it had this big green candle. I shorted it near the open, I think, and held it throughout the whole day. But yeah, it's strong. It's barely down. It looks like it's gonna probably bounce off this rising 10-day. And the only way this thing is gonna go down is if the market really tanks. But again, if the market really tanks, all of these things, AAL, NCLH, these things are gonna get 50% haircuts. So those are gonna be better shorts anyways. So yeah, Wix, unless it starts showing some relative weakness, I don't think it's a good short. I've been touching it too many times. ALLO looks interesting. It's a biotech name with some pretty decent data. This thing could go, but I don't know. And just so hard. It's so hard to have conviction with biotechs. Yeah. If this Datadog can build a base over the next few weeks, I think it's gonna be a crazy setup. Maybe it goes to 150 or something. And Peloton is almost at new highs. This is just incredibly strong. The greatest thing with a pullback is you get to play these weak stocks that go down, and then you also get to see the relative strength in the strong stocks. It's just so these mild pullbacks in an uptrend is like the best thing that can happen. Right now looks like things are starting to bounce a little bit. Oh, NVAX is probably gonna stop me out. Yep, it's gonna stop me out. 100% it's gonna and mRNA is already about to stop me out. That was a quick 15k. I wasted a quick 15k. Why not? What else would I do with the money? Yeah, the real leaders stand out, definitely. Oh, yay, I lost 16.5k on mRNA. That was quick. What was that, in 4 minutes? Yay. Nice. It held the range. Maybe we get, yeah, I'm gonna watch this range for the 66 range for potential long and the 62.40-ish for a potential short for later. Hopefully not today on either of those. Yeah, NVAX. And NVAX too, I think the 4150 area could be good long if it sets up well. Oh, PSTI is going. I just bought a bunch of PSTI. It's another COVID pump with really nice looking chart, man. These are all going. I mean, you have to be where the speculation money is, and this is it. This is the sector. And there's some pretty, I mean, look at PSTI chart. Look at this. Higher lows for like a month, more than a month. Oh man, I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna buy more. APT? Yeah, I think it needs this 1480 break. It really needs to break that range. It's been in this range of death, but absolutely, if it can break that, I'm definitely watching it. I have an alert set, etc., etc. This is the sector B right now. They're chasing these stocks like crazy. I fucked up mRNA by not buying it. I fucked up NVAX by not buying it, but I'm sure as hell not gonna fuck up. And Codex I fucked up by selling it too early. Way too early. But this AYTU and PS... You know what? AYTU I'm gonna buy more. Fuck this shit. I'm buying another 45,000 shares of this AYTU. Why not? PSTI I have 25,000 shares. RTTR, what is this stock? Is it another COVID name? What is this pumped as? What are they pumping this as? Hype stock trading. What's the theme? The chart looks decent. It's low volume, but the chart looks good. But I need to know what the theme it is. I'm not really seeing any news on it, so I can't really determine what it is. Man, this IMPX is really going. You know what, IBIO, I may buy some of this too. I'm buying all of them. This VBIV is another one. Holy shit, man. I'm buying everything. I'm gonna buy a portfolio of these shit stocks. I'm buying all of these. I really am. IBIO is on watch. I know someone mentioned IBIO before, like near the open. I'm with you now. I was skeptical. I'm with you now. This is where all the pump money is going. They're pumping these things so hard on Twitter right now. NNVC is having follow through. Acre is another piece of shit. I'm gonna wait for setups before I add to anything. A PSTI, this is a 5-star flag setup. It really is. AYTU too, 5-star setup. I know I never had Genius. I never saw what the news is about, but they're pumping it as like a Netflix for kids. It's from their own 8K. Netflix for kids, except it's for free. It's free. Fully ad supported. Yeah, it's just a pump. Oh man, I'm gonna have so much crap. Oh, mRNA is gonna break lower. And I need to re-short it. If it takes out the lows, I need to be there because the chart looks so good. Looks really, really good. On the short side, that is. Man, there's so much to watch right now. So PSDI, I have decent position, not gonna add to it. D-Dog short, yeah. Yeah, it could work, absolutely. I just have a pretty decent short exposure already, so I don't know if I'm gonna... I'm probably gonna hedge my long piece of shit COVID name portfolio with shorting mRNA if it confirms. Oh, NVAX is gonna stop me out. Now everything is bouncing, all my shorts are bouncing. All right. If mRNA and NVAX hold and don't break down, these things like IBIO, AYTU, PSDI, I think they're gonna explode. I think they're gonna explode. AYTU, I may add another 50, 100k shares to this thing if it confirms later. It's just building volume right now, and this thing can have some sick volume days. This thing can easily trade 100 million in volume. Man, I'm getting excited. Why am I using the old version of TC2000? Well, because I've been too lazy to use the new one. I didn't like... It was probably a setting thing, but... like how they print the daily candles, they're using after hours data to print the daily candles. I didn't like that. I don't want to see the extended hours trading on my daily chart. It's probably a settings thing, so I never logged into the new version again, but I'm probably gonna do it later. Yeah, I know, but I just didn't like how they distort the daily chart. There isn't a setting? Well, then I'm not gonna use the new version. Because I don't want that. Oh, you can turn it. Okay, good. GBTC. No, I haven't even been talking about GBTC, I think. It needs to confirm. I don't know. Hopefully it can go sideways for a few days. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, maybe I'll check it out later. I mean, look, I'm happy with this old version. I don't mind. Like, it works perfectly. So I haven't been in a hurry to upgrade. Oh my god, my cat is throwing up right now. Um, be right back. I need to clean up a mess on the floor. Okay, I am back. IBIO. You know what? I'm buying some IBIO right here. I bought 150k shares. I'll maybe add through the highs of the day later. This thing is gonna. I mean, they're just. These are all laggards in the COVID-19 space, like mRNA and these codex. They are leaders. I know. But this is where the money is right now. The laggards can make big moves too. That's just how it works. T-Dog looks like I'm probably gonna get stopped out soon. NVAX didn't stop me out yet, but it's just a matter of time. Now this is interesting. I'm seeing some of the growth names showing weakness while the bear flag stocks are showing strength. Okay, mRNA is again testing these lows here. Cheap or I'm all out. Yeah, it does look, but again, I think it needs to break that yesterday's highs. I've been trying this thing so many times inside of this range. You really just need to wait for it to break out. I've been anticipating it a couple of times and it never breaks out when I want to. Man, this APDN too, this one is it just came back. It just reclaimed VWAP. All these vaccine names, they're just going crazy. OPK. Oh man, there's so many. Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, they are pumping all of these. There's just too many. Whew. Yeah, I don't think it's the best one out of these, but yeah, it's moving higher. And oh, mRNA is about to break down. Jesus Christ, there's just Codex is weakening. Okay, mRNA just broke lower. I added back to VTIQ. Looks like it's about to break down. This thing has no support until like 20 bucks. But I'm gonna pass on. It's getting really thin. It was thin yesterday when it traded 45 million shares. And today so far it's been trading. It's probably not gonna trade more than 10 million, 15 million. It's just super thin. This FMCI is something I'm watching too. They're pumping it as a potential SPAC with Impossible Foods. Like, I'm watching it. It's just speculation. Just there was speculation like on UAVs, etc., etc. Or actually, that it was gonna be like Amazon or something. But these things can really go. PSTI, I'm gonna sell some. Selling. Oh no, I didn't get a full fill on PSTI. I only had 22,000 shares. I thought I had 25. Okay, that's okay. Hemp. Oh, isn't that like a sub-penny stock? Oh. Why are you even mentioning something like this? There's nothing going on here. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, wait. Really? Wow. I didn't even... Okay, okay. They were pumping it as a potential Amazon collaboration or Amazon deal, but it was hemp. Oh, you can't make it up. So it's a half. Is it? No, wait. This is a 0.0. It's half a cent, right? Okay. Half a cent. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Now I remember. Yeah, yeah. It was with hemp. Absolutely, you're correct. Yeah. So it was with a 0.5 cent stock instead of with a $2,350 stock. Yeah, it's a big difference. By the way, Amazon is building a high tide flag. I think next up for this thing could be 3,000. Now my bear markets, bear flag stocks are all bear flag stocks, what that I call them. The probably going bankrupt stocks are super weak or super strong now, I mean. They're getting involved with Twitch. Oh, I need to do some DD on it. Isaiah, I've been too lazy. I haven't really checked what's moving the stock. But it's also COVID-19, so they're pumping it. Okay, I love these things. How are they gonna get involved with Twitch? Is there PR or something? I don't really see. I only see like news with like COVID-19 related news. Do you have any link on the Twitch thing? They're involved into Twitch? Because the short looks good. This is something, you know, in this market could go to like $2. I see, okay, their homepage. I'll just put it here. All I need to know. I don't need any more details. Thanks for the information. Now this is why I love having a chat room, because you get so much. It's so, you know, it helps getting information around. Sponsor integration. Yeah. Oh man, I'm like exhausted. There's just so many things moving. mRNA, I'm probably gonna take another $15,000 loss on it. That's okay. I like taking losses. I'm the best at taking losses. I'm an expert. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, Mark looks like it's about to bounce a little bit. Yeah, reclaimed VWAP. I still need to see a better. Again, I think, you know, it's had a nice little pullback, but it is holding some rising supports. And I wouldn't be surprised in like if maybe next week we get a next leg higher. Especially speculation money keeps coming back in this market. This XL, if it, yeah, this low 24s is gonna be my stop. If it can't hold, I'm just gonna sell it. T-Dog, did I get stopped out yet? No. CREX, this one is also pump, thermal camera pump. I added to it yesterday. And this building, it's so far holding this rising support on the 60-minute chart. There could be another ad spot developing in the mid-high 4s. Probably not today, but the next few sessions. mRNA, let's see, AAL bouncing back fastly, RSIL. Man, I had 22 stocks in my portfolio. This PDD is looking so strong. AYTU not acting super well right now. But maybe it can get some bids later. Codex looks great. Oh man, there's so many pump stocks and pump themes going on right now. It's impossible to keep track of everything. Like IMPX is another thermal camera one, thermal camera play or some kind of related to it. Big volume. This is another one, you know, you can risk 10 cents to potentially make several dollars. This thing is a big former runner. Back in January, this thing went from like, well, this was, it went from like 2 to 30. And then it had a reverse split, but it went from like 20 cents to $3 or something like that. Codex, I'm not gonna touch it today. Could even be a long setup. This is really a chaser's market. So Codex is a stock promotion apparently. I already knew it because I read about it somewhere, but I even think I have the information here. Yeah. It's gonna crash and burn. All these things are, but this is like the biggest theme ever so far. Oh, OPK got some vaccine, or actually had a PR today, or some news. So New York State is gonna pay 150 million? Okay. Not bad. Not bad, there's just so many things going on right now. Unbelievable. What's this acre? Is it already also COVID-19 related? Yeah. COVID-19. No. Wait. This is another one. APD, and so far it got rejected off VWAP, but if it can reclaim VWAP later, there could be something there, but I don't think so. It looks like it wants to go lower. So Isaiah, man, I can't keep track of everything. It's IBIO. Takes out highs for the day. I will add to it. You know what? I'm gonna add right now. Okay, so I have 200,000 shares of IBIO now. I'm gonna use a less than a 10-cent stop on it. I'm getting excited. These types of markets are the best. This is another one I'm getting excited about. It's FMCI. Wow, my shorts are bouncing pretty hard. I guess I should have covered more. That's fine. They're gonna run into some heavy resistance in a couple of days. JCP living up to their name. Yeah, penny, exactly. 19-cent stock, holy shit. What a badly managed business, man. How can you not, like, if your business is deteriorating, how can you not do anything about it? Like, just keep doing more of the old. It's just sad. It's sad and pathetic. Like, they've had 15, you know, the stock peak in 2007 never really came back. They've had so many years to try to do something new, to avoid deteriorating further, but nope. There's a retail store in Sweden that just, the owners just keep pumping money into it, like a clothing store. Like, it almost went bankrupt last year, and now it almost went bankrupt again due to COVID-19. Oh, well, not due to COVID-19. It was about to go bankrupt anyways. And the main owner just keeps pumping money in it. It's just doing more of the same. And it's guaranteed gonna go bankrupt eventually. I mean, it's just so stupid. Exactly. Yeah, it's so, I mean, some companies are just so badly managed. This is why I always try to, you know, even if I think something is really stupid, like I thought like these Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies were, but I still realized like it could be the next big thing, right? So I opened up all these fiat portals. I opened Coinbase. I opened these other ones where you can buy all the altcoins and stuff like that. Like, I bought some of these. I bought Bitcoin, Ethereum. I bought some other altcoins because I realized, like, no matter how stupid something is, like, there could be something there. I need to be there, like, in case it becomes the next big thing. I don't want to be one of these people, you know, gets older and older and just keeps doing everything the same way they've been doing it. And then they start complaining when the world around them has changed. Like, we all know people like that. It's kind of sad and pathetic. And I just don't want to become one of these people. So having said that, I'm actually gonna try the new version of TC2000 after the stream. I'm not gonna restart now. Exactly. But people don't realize that you have to adapt. You have to constantly adapt. You can't do things like you have been doing. What worked 20 years ago won't work in, you know, going forward, probably, right? I think being able to adapt is the greatest superpower. You don't have to be the hardest worker. You don't have to be the smartest person. You don't have to be the fastest person, like, you know, catching new trends, etc., etc. But what you have to do is being able to adapt. That's like in life, in business, I think that's the biggest superpower anyone can have. Okay, FMCI just got some. You know what? Wait, what? Huh? Oh, okay. I just bought 100,000 shares of FMCI. Fuck this thing, it's gonna go to 20. I'm buying more. Okay. What's the volume? You know what? I'll buy even more. Dude. Dude. This is the market. Okay, I'm buying more. I'm gonna aim for 150,000 shares on this thing. That's me pushing the stock higher, by the way. Oh my god, I'm chasing this thing, but fuck this thing. Look, 30 cent stop, and now it's down ticking because I stopped buying it, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna use like a 1080 stop. Look, if this thing goes, this is the market for it. Like guys, I've seen it before. Don't buy it, but you know, it's my money. I'm gonna go big on it. Exactly. So you can front run me? No way, guys. Fuck this thing. I was trying one of the routes I tried to buy it with. It rejected my order because it exceeded the historical average of the volume for the stock, because this stock pretty much doesn't trade usually. Okay, now I'm instantly down a bunch of money on it, but that's okay. I'm down 18k on it after I stopped buying. Should I support the bid on it? Should I support the stock? I'll buy more. No, I'm not. I have 150k shares. Fuck this thing. If it stops me out, I'm gonna lose like 50k. Look, I mean, these things are working. I don't know. I'm not. I just have a feeling. Okay, I just have a feeling. This is a risk-on market. What's the point of trading a risk-on market if you don't take any risk, right? But I guess I should have been a little bit more patient with buying. Could have gotten like a 10-cent better average. That's okay. I have an 1105 average on it. That's okay. I did chase a little bit on my last buy. I bought it a little bit high, but that's okay. Fuck this thing. Dude, if UAVS went from like what 60 cents to $5 on pure speculation that they were gonna partnership with Amazon, why can't this FMCI go from $11 or what 10.50 to like, I don't know, 15, 20 on speculation that it's merging with Impossible Foods? Okay. if there's any time these things are gonna work, it's now. Oh my god, IMPX taking out highs for the day. You know what? I need to buy this piece of shit too. I'm just going for the piece of shit trading approach right now. I'm gunning all of these things. Fuck it. Fuck it. I sold VTIQ too early. I sold Codex too early. I just bought 100,000 shares of this IMPX. Risking 15k on it, I guess. These things are... This is the correct... It could end at any time, you know. Tomorrow, all of these things could be down 30%, but right now, the money, you can just see the money flowing into these things. What's NVAX doing? NVAX is weakening, mRNA is weakening. These are the blue chip leaders of the Shad buyers, virgin seller. This APDN is setting up too. Oh my fucking god. Look, I'm just gonna put it this way. Tomorrow, I will either be really happy or really unhappy. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, I'm gonna lose like 100, 150k on these. Nah, not 150. Up to 100k on these if they don't work out. Or I'm gonna make like 500k, a million, 2 million. Why not? Exactly. This Dante's guy, he's been really hot. Like, he's totally correct. What he's writing about this FMCI. It could be the next, next darling. Doesn't even have to be Impossible Foods. Just a thought. So it's a possibility. And IMPX is also getting some of Microsoft. They're pumping it together with the Microsoft ticker. I don't know. This is just a time. You don't ask questions. You ask questions later. I've seen these types of market environments before. They happen maybe once, twice per year, and I'm always too cautious, but man. Just one time I want to be there. Go big. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. At least I can sleep well knowing I took the shot. WLL? I don't know. It needs to break this 110 range-ish. But the problem with this one, it lost all its volume. It had pretty big volume and now it has no volume anymore. Maybe if it can break the range and the volume comes back, I may trade it. Oh man, I'm getting exhausted here. I'm just in so many piece of shit stocks right now, it's not even funny. It's not even funny. I have like the shittiest portfolio of all time. Mark is shaping up. You know what? I'm gonna raise my stop a little bit. XL is, if XL closes below 2403, I'm gonna sell it probably. I raise my T-Doc stop again. DFFN, no, I'm not in it. What is this? Another COVID-19 play. You know what? I'm gonna watch it. I'm not. I just can't buy anything more. I'm getting exhausted here. I mean, so many things right now. mRNA and NVAX are shaping up. They're actually, looks like they wanna stop me out, which is a good thing, because it means all the other stocks are probably gonna explode. As long as the blue chip ones can hold up, I think all these laggards could really go big time. Funny thing is, FMCI is only up 6% on the day. That's nothing. That's really nothing. Yes, I'm short them. I'm short cruise lines. I'm short airlines. I'm short NCLH. Look, we'll see. They're running into some declining moving averages. You know, if they stop me out, they stop me out. I covered some into weakness. And you know, look, if they stop me out, that's a good sign, because it means there's enormous strength in the underlying market. That's a good thing. Like FAS, which is a financial triple ETF. That's fine. I'm just gonna wait to see how they play out. Yep, mRNA found a bid again. Yes, I am in Mark. Yes, I am in Mark. I've been in this thing for 2 weeks now. VTIQ actually has a long setup over this 2840. It built higher lows on the 60-minute chart and also on the daily chart. Looks pretty good. Oh man, I need to take a shower soon. I haven't. I actually put together a grill today. I'll start grilling soon. Looking forward to it once the pouring rain stops. Exactly, yeah, that's a very good question. What am I not in? That's, name the shittiest stock you know, I'm probably in it. This Codex does have an interesting range below this 2610 area for a short. I don't know how much downside there is though. I'm probably gonna pass on it. Oh. Yeah, technology is bouncing off the rising 20-day. Pretty big strength. Zoom is still building higher lows. Man, what if this thing goes to 250? Yeah, FET. Oh. Yeah, looks like a blue chip among the shitty stocks. This APDN is a bit intriguing. FMCI holding VWAP, come on! If it gets big volume, I may buy more. I may buy another 50k. It looks it's like on the 60-minute chart, it looks like it did a big move, but the stock is only up 6% on the day. It's a tiny move. No, YBIO, come on, don't do this. Don't stop me out. Aren't you guys supposed to go up forever? Aren't you supposed to go straight up forever? PSTI is working though, that's good. Even though I didn't get full size. All in on Dogecoin. Yeah, VTIQ is so far holding support levels. Wouldn't surprise me if this thing goes to 50 or something eventually. I actually went through their investor presentation on Nikola this morning. Pretty fascinating stuff. They have some pretty heavy names in the management, in partnerships and stuff like that. I think it's gonna be yeah, Nikola is a very intriguing company. I think it could be go up big time over the long term. OneCoin? Man, this OPK is interesting too. I don't know if I'm gonna add to it, but so Mark is bouncing, that's great. Excel bouncing, CREX is shaping up after the morning weakness. TDOC is bouncing a little bit. It should have stopped me out, but I didn't have a stop order on it. Like 178 was my stop, so instead I put my stop lower, which I'm raising now. NVAX is in a range. If it starts sticking out this 3760 area, 3750 area, I'm probably gonna add to the short, but right now it's very strong, holding up very well. And mRNA stopped me out again. I lost 40k on it today. Yay! Love it. I love it. Lost 40k on 2 shorts. Okay, so shorting COVID-19 names is not working. Just so you know, guys. Heads up, don't short them. PDD, oh man, everything is shaping up now. NCLH up almost 20% in like 2 hours. Oh yeah, OneCoin. Oh yeah, that's I read about it. Yeah. The Swedish authorities are not even investigating him anymore. He was being investigated, but they dropped the charges. It was just too complicated since it was an international thing and there's so many people from so many countries involved. So it's only the US that's investigating him. I think he's in custody, right? If I'm not wrong. I think he's in custody in the United States. But the Swedish authorities were like, fuck it, it's too complicated. I love it. I kind of like how these stocks that I've been bearish on have these big reversals. That's a bullish sign for the overall market. So, oh, these Bitcoin coin plays are coming back. Fiverr at new all-time highs, Square strong. Oh my god, I like this market, guys. I think we're gonna see something crazy. If we thought the market was crazy from the lows over the past 2 months, I think this thing could be the beginning of something bigger. Unless something extraordinary happens, like the coronavirus mutates and kills off everyone. But unless that happens, just so much strength in so many sectors right now. And a lot of speculation money in micro caps. I haven't been this excited since the markets broke out from a big range back in October. If you remember that, I was talking about this. I had like 2 shitty months before that, and I was talking about this breakout for several weeks, and then the market broke out and went on a big run, and it was just crazy good. I haven't been this excited since that. Yeah, custody of the FBI. SOX holding a rising trend line, or you know, the semiconductors overall. Oh, I like this. This is good. Exciting things. HGGM, another COVID-19 pump, I presume. Oh man, they're really pushing all of these things. I don't know who they are, but they exist. They are there. They do exist. It's a real thing. I just don't know who they are. Codex, it's building higher lows intraday and about to reclaim VWAP. Maybe it goes to 35 today. SC is holding the rising 10-day. That's a good thing. That's a big sign of strength. FMCI looks like he wants to lose VWAP. There hasn't really been much volume since the first 5-minute candle. It had big volume, it had a huge block going off. Oh man, maybe I made a mistake buying this many shares. This thing is not as liquid as I thought. Oh. Hmm. Yeah, NCLH is super strong. It's up 20% in 2 hours. 22% in 2 hours. Wow. NCLH, yeah. I got out before sub 10. That's great. All right, I'm not gonna do much more today. I have so many shit stocks in my portfolio right now. Like FMCI is my largest position by far. This pump job, holy shit. Oh my god, if this thing can go to 10 bucks. Oh, please, market gods, take this thing to 10 bucks. Oh my god. Please, 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 please. I know I fucked up on some stuff. I know I sold VTIQ too early. I know I sold Codex too early. I'm undeserving of this, but please take FMCI to 10 bucks. I promise I won't sell it too early. I promise. Please, market gods. I'm gonna sacrifice a goat. Ah, 20 bucks. Did I say 10 bucks? I meant 20 bucks. No, I'm not joking. I'll sacrifice a goat. And then I'm gonna eat the goat. Codex is weakening again. And NVAX too. All right, I'm done. I'm done for the day, or at least with the stream. Thanks for joining, and Tomorrow I'll either be on a really good mood or I'm gonna be in a really bad mood. There's like nothing in between. I have a feeling. Sacrifice a camel? Exactly. I don't know where to get a camel though. I have to go to the zoo. Okay, thanks guys.